So some of the easiest things we tend to share with students are the spots you all mentioned, which are technically, we can be more technical, it's college level. So they're rosettes for jaguars, and that is one of the main distinguishing features between them and leopards, right? So the jaguars have the rosette patterns, which are always these more circular patterns with the dots inside. And as you mentioned, Kayla, they are a form of unique identification. They're fingerprints in their own right. So that gives them excellent camouflage, which is one of the ways they can stalk and ambush their prey, coupled with very thick, heavily padded paws. So they have almost silent strides when they're in the forest. And you typically notice, like with any cat, their claws are retractable. So that prevents them from getting them damaged or blunted, but also from, picking up on stones and sticks and so on and giving away their position. But one of the most unique things I would say for jaguars, and this might already be known to you all, is the bone structure in their head or their skull. So they are the largest cat in the Americas. They're also the third largest cat in the world after tigers and lions. But they are, without a doubt, the most powerful as far as their biting force that is behind their jaws and their teeth. So I know everyone's watched a million nature documentaries from Animal Planet, or they're even on Netflix now, but does anyone recall the typical way that that wildcats in general hunt their prey? Like what part of the body would they go for first when they're trying to chase down and subdue a prey item? Correct, exactly. And in the case of most wildcats, the large cats, cheetahs, lions, whatever, they would typically go for the neck, or they would even try to eviscerate their prey using their claws to catch the stomach. But jaguars have been documented multiple times to always go for the head of the animal that they're hunting. And so when they do that, they maximize that full over 1,000 pounds per square inch of bite force that they have. And it's through that they're able to subdue literally over 80 species of prey, including things as large as crocodiles, caiman. In Belize, they would go for tapir and other species as well. So it makes them a really formidable hunter in our forests, right? So some very quick adaptations, but I know the show and tell is interesting, but we'll now switch gears and